This is showing you how to get the sidechain effect without using a compressor. Sidechain compressor. That was gay. Anyway, what I use is, if I go to the mixer, I use Fruity Balance on the one that will be doing the sidechaining, and on the trigger, I use the Fruity Peak controller. Okay, this is the trigger here. I've got the kick going here. And you also want to use that kick as the trigger. So I clone it and send the trigger to a new channel in the mixer. The kick can go to wherever you want. In the empty channel in the mixer, I use a Fruity Peak controller, and it doesn't matter if you mute the channel or anything, because the Fruity Peak controller doesn't emit sound. So if you route anything to this channel, no sound will come out, as I will prove. But you'll notice on the peak controller, the peak level is going up, and the input monitor is going up. Okay, and that is good. For the sidechain now, we're going to be sidechaining this.
MS2K owns Ultimate. MS2.
Okay, and I've just effectsed it.
MS2K owns Ultimate.
And the Fruity Balance I put after all the other effects. Unless you want reverb after that, then that's up to your discretion. Okay, so to get this to work, I go to the Fruity Peak controller. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Reset these to how they were. I right click on the volume knob in Fruity Balance, link to controller. In the internal controller list, I select peak, and mapping formula, I go to inverted, accept, and as you'll notice, when I put the triggers in, it'll trigger the sidechain effect.
MS2K owns Ultimate. MS2K owns Ultimate. Owns Ultimate. MS2K 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 owns Ultimate. MS2K
Use attention as well.
MS2K owns Ultimate. MS2K owns Ultimate. MS2K owns Ultimate.
So when you substitute in the real kick, you get the sidechain effect.
MS2K owns Ultimate. MS2K owns Ultimate. MS2K owns Ultimate. MS2K.
And now to use that in the song. I've got the sidechain here, the one that I'm going to sidechain, which is the vocals, the kick and after bass there, and the trigger there. Let's have a listen.
MS2K the ultimate sex, wrecking ace mate. I like troubles. Hehehe, owned. Hehehe, owned. Hehehe, owned. Hehehe, owned. MS2K owns Ultimate. 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 MS2K owns Ultimate.
And that's pretty much all you need.